This is one of my favorite kind of days. Just a light drizzle. Not wet enough to get you soaked, but just strong enough that it sounds like the whole forest. All of the leaves and the needles are being hit with little droplets, and you can hear almost every single one of them. Gives the trees and the bushes and plants a feeling of aliveness, even more than just standing and realizing that I'm surrounded by hundreds of thousands of living beings. I'm that person you walk by on the road who's standing and just looking because they heard something interesting. Where do you think that goes? I love the different quality of green around here. Even on the same plant, one side can be light green, and the other can be a deep, rich green full of stories. I'm that person who stops to take pictures or videos of two-tone rocks, or marvels at smiley faces on rocks, or moss growing on the side of a road. A little bit of green in the gray cement. I wonder why he's alarming. I can't be the only person who thinks these make really good beards. I'm the kind of person who gets really jazzed over a red spiky pine cone. Why on earth is there a stripe in this tree?